It feels good. However, we hope that we qualify with more points. I think we deserve to qualify with more points, but it's fine. It's fine to struggle at the beginning just to make sure we will be ready in the next round when we play in the semi-final. They're doing well. They're doing well. We had a longer period now. We had more time to work with them. I can see them. They improve during the training session. Also physically, they are more relaxed. They adapted better now. Positive vibes, more focused. So I think hopefully we get a good result in the next match. For the fans, as we expect, it will be strong match. To be honest, I know Lebanon since long time. I know how they play. I know they have very good players who plays in Europe. So it will not be an easy match. But I think it's the good test for our girls, and we need their fighting spirit. For me, it's the final match. So I hope the girls perform good, and if the girls were focused, I expect to see good performance for the girls, which is the most important thing for us now, and hopefully for the fans to enjoy the game.
Alhamdulillah, syukur kami dapat layak ke semifinal atas usaha semua pemain dan coaches. InsyaAllah nanti kami dapat collect keputusan yang baik lawan Lebanon nanti. Kalau coach bagi saya main untuk kesebelasan utama, saya akan bagi 100% dalam padang dan berikan gol untuk tim Malaysia. Kepada fans Malaysia, terima kasih atas doa dan sokongan Anda. Saya harap sokongan ini dapat diteruskan untuk melawan Lebanon esok.